Hey, what's up guys? Hopefully you can hear me over the car. We left a little late, my fault, but we are headed on our way to Subie Showdown in Orangeville, Ontario, Canada. This is probably going to be the only show I bring the STI to this year. I'm not really the one to go to like shows all the time, but this one seemed pretty promising. It's strictly Subaru, so it should be pretty sweet. If anyone sees us, we'll be inside, and feel free to say hi.
But this is in the past, so they don't know,
I know, yeah,
to come up to us.
I guess we will. I guess I'll show you guys around when I get there. I want to see some builds. There's some particular that I do want to see that I'm pretty excited to see. Yeah, it's pretty much, from my understanding, it's going to be like the best of the Subarus there. So I'm looking forward to it. I think it'll be fun. Just driving. See if I get some.
The license plate is.
It's butchered.
Yeah.
It probably like fell down and bent the plate. Like it tipped. Getting nervous for the camera. Yeah.
Yeah. I get the grossest feeling in my tummy when he does that. I don't know why. I like roller coasters. But if I don't tighten my stomach when he does that, I feel like I'm gonna vomit. Hello? Oh, that's mode.
I can't even see him, I don't think, because it's just so blurry.
Because of the rain, it's focusing on the rain.
There. Yeah, they're doing a bike course or bike training, I guess, and this poor guy's getting pushed around. We made it here, and I have too much fuel. The drive down, I was trying to burn it and be kind of a dick on the roads and just trying to burn as much fuel as I could. Fortunately, didn't burn that much. So either I'm probably gonna have to sit idle or cruise around and come back. So we may do that. Maybe I'll like run into Orangeville and like grab Tim's or something and come back. Just cause I need to probably burn this off.
Sucks because fuel's expensive.
Yeah, it is. I was ready just to disconnect the fuel line and just dump it on the road, but I don't think she wants me to do that.
That doesn't sound
so we're probably gonna have to just rip it. We just got done cleaning up. The car is all nice and clean now, as you can see. It dumped on us. It took us a while to get in. We got dumped on, but she's looking good now. It's, I believe, a K24 swap. I didn't realize this existed until the show. Oh, yeah. Yeah, this thing's nasty. You can see the turbo right there. Yeah, it still even has all-wheel drive. Crazy build. I kind of want to get into the Honda scene. Like, I'm like, not gonna lie, I kind of want to get into it. No, not because of yours. I would love to do a K24 swap on her Civic with a big turbo. It'd sound fun. Keep the outside like low key, like keep it a sleeper. I think it'd be pretty sweet. When we get our cross track, I'll take the Civic. We'll do that. I promise. Yeah, I didn't notice that. That's sick. I was actually looking forward to seeing this car quite a bit. I've been following this guy for quite a while. His builds are extremely clean. Like, he really takes pride in what he does, as you could tell. But what's crazy about it, not only is it wide-bodied, it has an LS3. That is crazy. Wide-bodied Legacy. Still on the fence about doing the newer gen front end. I'm kind of thinking about backing out of that, but I'm on the fence. I remember when I was looking for an STI, I wanted a Hikari. Man, this thing's clean. There's all these non-Subarus here. What's going on? It's not a Subaru, not a Subaru, not a Subaru. Weird.
Yeah, I'm hungry.
Yeah, we're getting hungry. We're like halfway through the day. It's been good so far. It's pretty good. We've had some fun. A few people have recognized me. I don't know, us. I think me. They're like, hey, do you do YouTube? And I'm like, yeah, actually. So it's been cool. Said hi, spoke about stuff we've done to the car and the videos I've done that helped them, which is pretty sweet. Shout out to you guys. I appreciate it. If you see me, say hi. So this time we were smart and we actually brought lawn chairs. We went to Driven last year, did not bring lawn chairs, and we were in the heat standing the entire time. It's nice that we can actually sit now and enjoy some food.
What, you doing a food review?
No, it's not bad. It's not bad. We're vlogging. We're out here vlogging.
I already took a bite.
Is it good?
Oh my god. No one wants to see that.
So it's an all Subaru event. Alright, all Subaru. There's a GTR. What is that over there?
Nothing.
That red car, what is that?
That's
It has pop-ups.
It has pop-ups. That's all I know.
What is it?
That's all I know.
She said it's a Miata. Do you want to talk?
Go for it.
All right. So we just got back home. It was a good experience. It was good vibes. We enjoyed it. We've gone to other car shows in the past and the vibes have been weird. There was a lot of groups and people were in their little group and didn't really want to talk and really know about your car, and they were always just kind of concerned about their stuff and didn't care about you. Wasn't like that at this show.
Sorry, it's focusing on this, not you.
It wasn't like, yeah, I guess I should lean up. It wasn't like that at this show. This show was pretty, like I said, it was good vibes. Everyone was chill. A few people recognized me, said hi, asked questions, told me the videos they watched. You know, we talked for a bit. I appreciate it. One dude, it was a dad of a guy, right? The guy next to me, his dad told me my car was his favorite, which I thought was kind of funny. But so that put a smile on my face. It was cool. We may go to the one that's there next year, possibly. We'll see. I don't know. But yeah, overall, good experience. Shout out to Subie Showdown for hosting it.
Subie Showdown.
Shout out to Subie Showdown for hosting it. It was good. I don't know if I mentioned this. The clips I'm going to show, I was talking throughout the clips. It's just, there was so much music with copyright ban. Like, I just couldn't. It
was bumping in there.
Yeah,
it was good vibes.
Loud. It was
he
good.
was a good DJ.
It was good.
It was
even
just,
you were like, this DJ
he was keeping me alive. At the end there, I was a little bit tired. So I was like, this guy is keeping me going. So it was good. But when you're taking clips, it's hard.
Like that song, My Back.
Yeah, that one came on and I was like, whoa, I was ready for it to be the explicit.
Yeah. No, it was good.
My back is what he's
overall, there's ice cream. That was sick. Ice cream. They ran out of burgers, but that's okay. We got a burger. We brought snacks. I killed the chips.
I was gonna say, we only touched one snack.
We had jalapeno double crunch chips. I pretty much killed them. But yeah, we'll see. Well, hopefully the video was entertaining. You guys enjoyed it. I tried my best to show you what I could. And that's it. That's it for this video, guys. We'll see you in the next one. If you enjoyed the video, please feel free to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Take it easy.